right, y'all. Thank y'all for joining me back here at the Rolling Grill. We are back with another video, of course. A few days after Thanksgiving, what we got here? We got some baby backs. Baby back ribs. Let me show y'all what we're gonna season them with. We're gonna do something real simple today. We got 3 seasonings. All right. Slap your mama. This is the mild one. Some celery seed and some lemon pepper, baby. We're gonna cook these on my drum smoker. Everybody tired of eating turkey, man, so let's kick that thing up with some baby backs. Yeah, boy. Like I said, welcome back to the Rolling Grill. Cheers. Got a little Hennessy in here. Gotta have a drink when you cook it. All right, so like I said, we're gonna do something real simple. I know everybody's tired of eating ham and turkey and whatever else you have for Thanksgiving, man, so we're just gonna change it up a little bit. It's football Saturday, where it is right now when I'm doing this video. So why not some baby backs? Let y'all see them. Nice little baby backs. Got these from Sam's. Got that little skin on the back. It's not much, but I'm cooking these over high heat, so I'm not even taking this off. You can do it if you want to. To me, it holds the fat in, especially on something like a baby back. It's gonna hold that fat in and not dry them out as fast. On spare ribs, sometimes I leave them on, sometimes I don't. But it's all up to you. You can take it off, of course, but me, I ain't bothering with that. I'm going right on top of it. So let's get started. A lot of that salt that we put on here, but it's really gonna give it some amazing color. That's my go-to sugar. It burns slow. And I'm gonna base these things with just some plain old Walmart Worcestershire sauce. So that's it, y'all. That's all we doing right there. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna put these things in the grill next. Yeah, boy. Let y'all see what it's looking like with that. Slap your mama in that Worcestershire. Yes, sir. Nice color. See? You can see the nice little pepper flakes and everything in that Worcestershire. You can see them little specks of celery seed as well, and the coconut sugar. So stay tuned, y'all. Got nothing special. Got my little dirty barrel cooker, and I got charcoal and a stick of cherry wood, and that's all I'm using. Yes, I am using the Cowboys all natural stuff right here. That's what we're cooking them baby backs over. Stay tuned. All right, guys, just want to show y'all today's grilling kit. Today's grilling kit is sponsored by Hennessy. You gotta have a little nub nuance. This is the triple roasted coffee flavor. A little Worcestershire and a tone. And that's pretty much it. Cheers. Hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving. Bring on Christmas. Drop it down in the comments. Let me know what y'all cook for Thanksgiving. Or what y'all cooking for Christmas, better yet. And what's your favorite drink? And when you're cooking. And what's your favorite smoke when you're cooking? If you smoke cigars, let me know in the comments. Yeah, boy. All right, just to give y'all a heads up, my plan for these baby backs is to smoke them for maybe about 2 hours at maybe about 275, 285. Matter of fact, I may even go as high as 300 because usually with baby backs, you want to go a little higher in the heat. So let's say 300 for 2 hours. I'm gonna wrap them boys up, finish them off. Probably take me another hour and some change to finish them off. And then, you know, I ain't going no sauce. I'm no sauce gang when it comes to good meat. And that's it, man. So just want to show y'all a simple way to get them baby backs done. You should be able to get baby backs done in probably about 3.5 hours max. All right, y'all. Ribs on, baby. It's the first slab right there. Stay tuned. Ribs on. We're gonna close the smoke cabin, the smoke coffin rather, and we'll be back in 2 hours. Check them out. All right, y'all. That's why I'm cooking them about 295 on them baby backs. Like I say, 300, even 325 wouldn't be too bad. All right. Yeah, it's about an hour in. What's they looking like so far? So I'm gonna hit them with a little bit of this. This is what I'm basing them with right here. That Worcestershire. So I'm gonna keep on cooking, y'all. All right, y'all, it's been 2 hours and now it's time to wrap. So what I did is I took the Worcestershire and I put a little bit on the foil down there. And so now I'm just gonna wrap these up, stick them back on the pit, check them in about an hour. Stay tuned. All right, they're both back on the pit. I'm about to ramp the heat back up. Open my stacks up right here and get this temp back up to about 300 in about an hour. They should be good to go. All right, y'all, let's check them out. It has been officially 3 hours and 20 minutes. And I think those boys, oh yeah, they ready. You can feel the side of them. Let's open one of them up and see what we're looking at. Oh man, look at that. Let me get in close. Look at that. Beautiful. So let's go in and pair it up with some seafood dressing and some mac and cheese and Thanksgiving leftovers. And I think we're gonna call this a night. It's gonna be it for the leftovers after I pair them up with these baby backs. Them boys are ready, man. Beautiful. Look at them. Side of them. Let's see if we can lift them up a little bit. Ooh, wait. Yes, sir. Let's take them in the house and cut them up real quick. Yes, sir. Man, them baby backs ready to go, man. Them baby backs. Look at them. Yes, sir. Got the ribs right here. I'm gonna let them rest for 5 minutes, and I'm pairing it up with some leftover crawfish mac and cheese, crawfish dressing, and some mac and cheese. I'm about to put this in the microwave, and then we're gonna sit over here at the TV and watch some LSU and Texas A&M. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, let them rest for 5 minutes. So now I'm about to cut them up. I'm gonna start in the center. Let's see what we got here. Let's cut a few. Matter of fact, go through the whole slab. All right. I need to sharpen my knife a little bit. All right, let's see what we got. Look at that juicy meat. Nice little smoke ring. Look at that. Now, I don't eat sauce on mine, but if you want some good sauce, country pleasing slap sauce, that thing slap. Put it up here, baby. Let them people see me eat it. Look at that. Look at that meat. So, I'm about to pet it over some leftover mac and cheese, some crawfish dressing, and I'm about to watch football. I want to thank y'all for joining me here at the Rolling Grill. As always, good food, good vibes. Say it with me, Nia. Yeah, boy.
Boy.
That's it, baby.